Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious avocado chutney, step by step. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 2 ripe avocados, 1 cup of fresh cilantro, and 1 small green chili for a little kick. Don't forget 1/4 cup of fresh lemon juice, a small piece of ginger, and 2 cloves of garlic. A pinch of salt and a 1/4 teaspoon of cumin powder will complete our flavor profile. Now, let's get our ingredients prepped for blending. Carefully peel and remove the pits from your 2 ripe avocados. Next, roughly chop about 1 cup of fresh cilantro leaves. For a touch of heat, mince 1 small green chili. You can adjust this amount based on how spicy you like it. Finally, grate a 1-inch piece of ginger and finely chop 2 cloves of garlic. It's time to bring everything together. Transfer all your prepped ingredients into a food processor or a high-speed blender. Pour in 1/4 cup of fresh lemon juice, which adds a bright, tangy note. Now, add a pinch of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of cumin powder for depth of flavor. Blend everything until it's wonderfully smooth and creamy, stopping to scrape down the sides as needed. Your homemade avocado chutney is almost ready. Give it a taste and feel free to adjust the salt or lemon juice to your preference. This vibrant chutney is perfect served immediately with chips, tacos, or as a spread on sandwiches. If you have any leftovers, store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator. It will stay fresh and delicious for about 2 to 3 days. Enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.